we see two visions about the future of the people, industry and the world have joined together as one. Their combined strength establishes a new collaboration model in the shipbuilding and offshore oil and gas industries, as well as creating a success story in these industries in Nigeria. Samsung Heavy Industries has its main shipyard in Korea, South Korea, and is a world leader in shipbuilding and offshore oil and gas development facilities with high value-added products such as FPSOs, LNG carriers, large container carriers, VLCC and drill ships. It has built and delivered the world's largest LNG floating production storage and offloading vessel in 2017. Samsung Heavy Industries has established West Africa's first fabrication and integration yard in Nigeria. The construction and commencement of operations at SHI-MCI FZE yard has been commended as a miracle in Nigeria. The unparalleled technologies of Samsung Heavy Industries, innovative infrastructures of Nigeria, smooth supply and demand of materials, and new engineering methods created synergies that enabled the facility to begin operations only 18 months after the commencement of its construction. SHI-MCI FZE, boasting the largest fabrication and integration facility in Africa, comprises a 502-meter-long quay wall and a fabrication yard on a landmass spanning 121,000 square meters. Equipped with cutting-edge facilities and facility ratios, each has been optimized for world-class, ultra-large, high-value-added projects. SHI-MCI FZE, through which Samsung Heavy Industries is presently transferring its shipbuilding and offshore plant manufacturing technologies to Nigeria, is providing its employees in Nigeria with systematic vocational and technical training, representing an ideal example for collaborative projects in the industry.